I love these curls so much, I had to give it to you in slow-mo. Hey ladies, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how I'm using Flexi rods to preserve my hair from a magnetic roller set. So if you know me, familiar with my channel, I love curls. I like my straight hair too, but I really love my curls. And I recently did a magnetic roller set, and I want to really get a good amount of days out of that roller set, and I do that with Flexi rods. What I'm doing right now, it's nighttime by the way, so I'm getting my hair prepped for the next day, and I'm spraying on one of my favorite hair products, which is the dry oil mist spray from OGX. I love this dry mist spray so much. I feel like you can't really spray too much, and when I say that, I mean, say if you just spray on your hair, you don't have to worry about getting any of the product on your shoulders or on your clothes, because it really is a dry oil mist. And I would say I use it when my hair is looking dull, kind of lifeless and dry. I just spray it on top, and I make sure I get my ends too. So I'm starting with my Flexi rods, and let me just say this. I have on the same black hoodie that I wore all day, and I realize that you can't see my hair that well, so I do switch into a different top in just a moment, which you'll see. But I'm putting in my first Flexi rod, and let me just say this. Flexi rods are amazing. They come in different sizes. I do not have the largest size. I think the one above the purple is the color orange, and maybe even a few more, and then there are a few smaller sizes down to the skinny mini. But I love Flexi rods. They're comfortable to sleep in, which is why I can put them in at night and still have a comfortable night's sleep. Also, I'm using a comb to make parts in my hair to put in my Flexi rods, but in my opinion, I feel like you could just grab sections of hair. Don't even worry about the parts. Particularly if you are new to Flexi rods, just grab a section of hair. Now, you do have to smooth the hair. Make sure it's nice and straight and taut and all of that before you put your Flexi rod in. But that's the same way, sometimes I'll treat my twists if I'm doing a twist out. I don't try to make my parts straight. They just kind of come out straight after, just with experience and me doing them over time. But if you're new to Flexi rods, find your way. Take your time and make sure they're as comfortable as they can be. Try not to put too much tension around your edges. And actually, the Flexi rod on my left side, I had to readjust because it wasn't comfortable when I got in the bed that night. And I'm a side sleeper, so I go from one side to the next, so I can't have anything pulling on my hair. But yeah, try Flexi rods. I have just been enjoying them, and this is just one of the ways. Flexi rods are just one of the ways that I preserve my curly hair. Yeah, I can, Bantu knots. There are various ways that you can preserve your curls, but right now I'm using the Flexi rod. So I'll stop talking. You will see me do a tiny little shoulder shimmy, I believe, later on in this video. I don't know what has gotten into me. This is the second video that I guess I was just feeling kind of happy about, so I did this little shimmy. But anyway, enjoy the video, and if you like what you see, please don't be afraid to give this video a thumbs up. Enjoy!
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.